Hi friends, welcome back to PMK MacTech. Today I am telling about engineering thermodynamics. Engineering thermodynamics it is defined as it is the branch of science which deals with transfer of energy. It affects as the properties of the system. That means which converts one form of energy into another form of energy is known as engineering thermodynamics. So mainly the aim of the engineering thermodynamics which is convert disorganization form of energy heat into organized form of energy that is work. So we simply call it as the conversion of heat into work is known as engineering thermodynamics. So in this point of view the microscopic approach and macroscopic approach, two approaches are there. So one is microscopic approach. The behavior of an individual particle or molecule is taken as into considerations is known as microscopic approach. It is also known as statistical thermodynamics. Similarly, macroscopic approach. The behavior of an average molecule is taken as into considerations. It is also known as classical thermodynamics. It is represented this individual particles are taken as consideration. It is known as microscopic approach. The average group of molecules is taken as consideration. It is known as macroscopic approach. Similarly, the important definitions in thermodynamics: system, a region in space. It is also known as a certain quantity of matter upon which the attention is concentrated for the analysis of a problem is known as system. Similarly, surroundings, anything external to the system is known as surroundings. Boundary, the separation between system and surroundings is known as boundary. Universe, the sum of system and surroundings is known as universe. In diagrammatically, we represent it as A is a system, B is a boundary. The separation between system and surroundings is known as boundary. So C is the surroundings. The sum of whole, that is system, boundary, surroundings, is known as universe, which represented is D. These representations are only in these diagrams. So system, boundary, surroundings, universe, these are the important definitions in engineering thermodynamics. Similarly, state, the exact condition of a system is known as state. Process, the change of state is known as process. Cycle, the initial and final points are same. We represented as a PV diagram. Process 1 to 2 is known as process. Cycle 1 to 2, 2 to 1 is known as cycle. So the initial and final points are both are same, that is 1. So this is the introduction of engineering thermodynamics. Thanks.